and welcome back to Everyday English Class. My name is Emily. I am so happy you are here with us today.
And I'm Jake. Thank you for joining us.
Today's topic is very useful. It is all about travel English. Yes, English for the airport and hotel. So if you are traveling soon, or if you dream of traveling one day, this episode is for you.
Emily, I have to be honest. The airport makes me nervous. So many signs, so many people, so many questions.
Haha. Don't worry, Jake. Many people feel like that. But today, we will fix it, together.
Good. I need help.
And to our listeners, have you ever felt lost at an airport? Maybe you wanted to check in, but you didn't know what to say? Or maybe you wanted to ask a hotel worker for something, but the words were not in your mind.
Oh, yes. That happened to me before.
Don't worry. Today, we will teach you simple English phrases for airport check-in, security, on the plane, and hotel check-in.
So I can travel without fear.
Exactly. And listeners, you will practice with us. When we say a phrase, repeat after us. Say it out loud. Are you ready?
I'm ready. Let's fly.
First, let's start at the airport. The very first step is check-in. You go to the counter and say something like, "I have a reservation under your name."
I see. Can we say it slowly?
Yes, repeat after me. "I have a reservation under Jake Smith."
I have a reservation under Jake Smith.
Very good. One more time. "I have a reservation under Jake Smith."
I have a reservation under Jake Smith.
Perfect. Listeners, try it too. Pause the audio if you want, and say it out loud. "I have a reservation under your name."
What if the airport worker asks for my passport?
Good question. They will say, "Can I see your passport, please?" You reply, "Here is my passport."
Here is my passport.
Exactly. Let's try it again slowly. "Here is my passport."
Here is my passport.
Excellent. Now, after check-in, you go to security. At security, someone may ask, "Do you have any electronics or liquids in your bag?"
Electronics. Liquids?
Yes, electronics are like laptops, tablets, cameras. Liquids are like water, juice, or shampoo.
Okay, I understand.
When they ask, "Do you have any electronics or liquids in your bag?" you can say, "Yes, they are in my bag." Or, "No, I don't." Repeat after me. "Yes, they are in my bag."
Yes, they are in my bag.
One more time. "Yes, they are in my bag."
Yes, they are in my bag.
Perfect. Then they will ask you to remove these items from your bag. You can say, "I am removing them now."
I am removing them now.
Very good. Now let's practice a common question at the gate. The worker may ask, "Is this the correct gate for flight A123?
How do I answer?
You can say, "Yes, this is my gate." Or "No, I think my gate is different." Repeat after me. "Yes, this is my gate."
Yes, this is my gate.
Very good. Now, "No, I think my gate is different."
No, I think my gate is different.
Perfect. Listeners, you try both answers. Say them aloud. Now we are on the plane. You are in your seat. You may need help. For example, you want water or a blanket. You can say, "Could I have a blanket, please?"
Could I have a blanket, please?
Great! Let's try with water. "Could I have some water, please?"
Could I have some water, please?
Excellent. And if you want to ask about the bathroom, you can say, "Excuse me, where is the bathroom?"
Excuse me, where is the bathroom?
Very good. Repeat one more time. "Excuse me, where is the bathroom?"
Excuse me, where is the bathroom?
Perfect. Listeners, say it too. Don't worry if it feels slow. Slow is good for learning.
What about when the plane is landing?
Good question. You can ask, "When will we arrive?" Or "How long until we land?" Repeat after me. When will we arrive?
When will we arrive?
One more time. When will we arrive?
When will we arrive?
Excellent. Listeners, your turn. Try both questions. After landing, you go to your hotel. The first thing is check-in. You go to the front desk and say, "Hello, I have a reservation under your name."
That sounds like the airport phrase.
Yes, it is similar. Travel English repeats often. Repeat after me. "Hello, I have a reservation under Jake Smith."
Hello, I have a reservation under Jake Smith.
Perfect. The worker may ask, "Can I see your ID or passport?" You answer, "Here is my ID."
Here is my ID.
Very good. Then they may ask, "How many nights will you stay?"
How do I answer?
You say, "I will stay for 3 nights," or "I will stay for 2 nights." Repeat. "I will stay for 3 nights."
I will stay for 3 nights.
Excellent. And if they ask about payment, "How will you pay?" You can say, "I will pay by credit card."
I will pay by credit card.
Perfect. Listeners, repeat slowly. Sometimes you need help. For example, you want a towel. You can say, "Could I have an extra towel, please?"
Could I have an extra towel, please?
Very good. And if you want help with the Wi-Fi, you can ask, "Can you give me the Wi-Fi password?"
Can you give me the Wi-Fi password?
Perfect. Repeat one more time. "Can you give me the Wi-Fi password?"
Can you give me the Wi-Fi password?
Excellent. Listeners, say these phrases too. Practice makes perfect.
What if I want to ask about breakfast?
Good. You can ask, "What time is breakfast?" Or "Where is the breakfast room?" Repeat, "What time is breakfast?"
What time is breakfast?
One more time. "Where is the breakfast room?"
Where is the breakfast room?
Very good. Listeners, your turn to repeat both. Now, Jake, let's do a small practice dialogue. You are at the hotel desk. I am the worker.
Okay, I'm ready.
Hello. How can I help you?
Hello. I have a reservation under Jake Smith.
Can I see your ID, please?
Here is my ID.
Thank you. How many nights will you stay?
I will stay for 3 nights.
And how will you pay?
I will pay by credit card.
Perfect. Now, you try asking for an extra towel.
Could I have an extra towel, please?
Excellent. And Wi-Fi?
Can you give me the Wi-Fi password?
Very good. Listeners, you can pause and practice this mini dialogue too. Let's review what we learned today, Jake.
Okay.
At the airport, first we check in. I have a reservation under...
Then we show our passport. Here is my passport.
Good. At security, do you have any electronics or liquids in your bag?
And we remove them. I am removing them now.
Perfect. At the gate, is this the correct gate for flight AA123?
On the plane. Could I have a blanket, please? And, excuse me, where is the bathroom?
Very good. At the hotel, I have a reservation under...
Then, here is my ID, and I will stay for 3 nights. And if we need help,
Could I have an extra towel, please? Or can you give me the Wi-Fi password?
I think I remember everything.
Excellent. Listeners, repeat after us one more time. Practice these phrases every day. Confidence grows with practice. Jake, before we end, I want to remind listeners, don't worry about mistakes. English is for communication. Even if you make small mistakes, people will understand you.
Yes, I feel more confident already.
And listeners, try speaking aloud today. Say these phrases slowly. Pause this podcast if needed. Practice with a friend or even alone.
I will. And I hope our listeners will too.
Great! Now let's do one final repetition together. Repeat after me slowly. I have a reservation under...
I have a reservation under Jake Smith.
Could I have a blanket, please?
Could I have a blanket, please?
Could I have an extra towel, please?
Could I have an extra towel, please?
Can you give me the Wi-Fi password?
Can you give me the Wi-Fi password?
Perfect. Keep practicing these phrases. You will feel confident on your next trip. Thank you, Jake. And a big thank you to all of you for listening to us today on Everyday English Class. We hope you enjoyed it.
Don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss the next episodes.
And please share this episode with your friends and family. They are also learning English.
We have a question for you. Please leave a comment below and tell us ... What English phrase do you want to use on your next trip?
We'd love to read your answers. It's great to know more about our listeners.
Definitely. Thank you again, everyone. We'll see you next time.
Bye for now, and keep practicing.